friends. I am Sarah, and today we are diving into the deep depths of our subconscious. People have been telling me it gets better, and yet the state of the world remains the same. Normally one would go to the emo darkness, but instead we have all been driven to beige. So in light of our new beige empire, I shall be doing some beige nails for you today. We shall start with our base coat. I am now using this new one by Mila and Ella, and it is fine. Just like most things that are beige, it is neither fun nor exciting. It is just fine. We will also be starting with our beige polish. This one's called See Y'all Later Chai, which is what I say to my barista every time I leave to go home into my beige room to drink my chai, which is also beige, like my soul. We will be doing 2 coats of said beige because one is not nearly enough. Despite the state of the world, we must be more beige. I mentioned earlier that one would go dark, like the emos. But beige is the new emo, so call me Skrillex. I don't think that's emo, but we are going to go with it for the state of beige. Next, we are going to paint on how we feel. Now we will be painting on a face of how we feel. This face is going to be just beige. If you don't understand what beige looks like in the terms of facial expression, you can just look at the nails. Yes. Beige. And if you are someone who cannot see, I'm sorry. Top with your favorite top coats. Mine's a little thick, but it's okay because it's beige. And there you go, your beige mani to match your beige mood, a new beige lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below of more things that are beige, like sand, and my hopes and dreams for the future. And with that, I will see y'all later. Chai, which is beige. I sound like Severus Snape.